Okay, YouTuber's gonna cook. Make something interesting, I think. Another brainiac idea. This is a pound of hamburger. It is 90-10. Normally, 80-20 is better for burgers, but this was on sale. So we can make the lean stuff work. Sriracha. Steakhouse onion burger. That's what's going in there today. A little bit of garlic powder. Mixity mix, mix, mix. So here we go. Stuffed press. Pam. Makes it easier to try to get it out of there. Hands are clean. Put some hamburger down. Trying not to make these super big, which I always fail at. Okay. Put a divot. Now we got some interesting stuff gonna happen. I think it's gonna be interesting. Boom. Hopefully you'll be able to see it all. We have, oh, there's a piece of leftover zucchini in there. That's going to work too. And we have mushrooms. Cut them down smaller. Hopefully you can see. And we have, keep cutting the mushrooms smaller. And we have a little bit of onion in there. And then we have the leftover London broil. So we are going to make a steak stuffed burger with mushrooms, onion, cutting these small, obviously. So I guess you could actually call this a steak burger. Finding something to do with leftovers. Alright, so there's a couple pieces of zucchini in there, some of the beef. Some mushroom, a little piece of beef, a couple chunks of onion, another bit of mushroom. Well, gotta throw another piece of beef in there. Okay, now I'm gonna put some cheese. So here we go. I'll put more hamburger on it. Okay, there we go. And we'll press it. These can be tough sometimes to get off, so I kind of use a knife. There we go. Again, I made these too big, so I don't have enough left to make 3, so I end up making 2. That's before mushroom steak. Load this one up. Way too big. Way too monstery burgery. Ginormous. Let's see if they'll stay together. I forgot the cheese in that one, didn't I? I done what and done up. I damned it. Okay. Huge burgers. Huge burgers. Alright, I'm going to go get the grill ready. Alright, we got the grill heating up. There's the burgers. Had one tiny bit left, so you can tell one's way bigger than the other. I'm going to put some just steak seasoning on it. On go the burgers. Let's see if they'll stay together. It's gonna be a tough marriage. Cookity cook cook. as I watch the lake. Wind's picking up a little, but it's still beautiful. Campfire's over there ready. Yes. Alright, these are some baby carrots. I use that same aluminum foil. And just put a little olive oil in them. Might try flipping. My trusty thrift store thing. I was washing it, and in half a second I dropped it and then immediately stepped on it. Oh. Okay. Holding together so far, mostly. Alright, we're coming along. Alright, we're almost done. Woohoo! I got some mushroom left. Got some cheese left. I'm gonna put cheese right on top of it. Don't do that. Come on, stay on there. Okay. Slices are better, huh? Alright, I'm gonna close that and I'm gonna shut the grill off. Alright. Here we go. One burger. Two burger. Now I'm going to take these carrots. They're very hot. Put the carrots on there. Add a little bit of lettuce. Put a little lettuce on there. Alright, let's take that inside. Alright. So there are the burgers, and I'll do a flyover with all of it. But so it's hard to do the customary smiley face with sriracha, so I'm going to do it on the bun. So there we go. One smiley face. Two smiley faces. Boom. Flyover. One burger. I took the top back off. Carrots. The other burger, top still on. My camper neighbor was super cool, and she gave me some potato salad. So I'm excited. And for dessert, if I get to it, there will be fruit cocktail and some Zing tea, green tea with ginseng. Alright, but let's eat this. Alright, I'm excited. I'll eat the smaller one first. Remember, this is stuffed with mushrooms, cheese, and London broil. I think there's some onion left in there too. That's friggin' awesome. Alright, YouTubers, you can do fun things with leftovers, and this worked. This is really good. I can see in there there's some onion and a little piece of mushroom. There's a piece of London broil. I'm living well. Let's try the Camper Neighbors potato salad. That's very good potato salad. Wow. Gotta go make another thank you. The benefits of going to a campground and making friends. Alright, YouTubers, seriously. Have a great steak-filled burger day. Great and wonderful day.